Hello children, let us start with our unit 2. I hope you all have finished your revision which I had given you earlier. So unit 2, poem number 9, The Trianti Vonti Gongolo. Yes, this is a bit difficult in pronunciation, but here they have given in parts. Page number 21. Let us start. There's a very funny insect that you do not often spy. So here the poet is saying that there is a funny insect, but you do not often see, notice. And it isn't quite a spider and it isn't quite a fly. So the poet is saying that it is neither spider nor fly. Spider bhi nahi hai, fly bhi nahi hai. It is something like a beetle and a little like a bee. Now beetle is an insect, yes, and you know that bee is like honeybee. But nothing like a woolly grub that climbs upon a tree. But it is not like a woolly grub. Woolly means made of wool, soft, and grub is the baby of the insect. But it is not like that also, baby of an insect. It is not like that. Its name is quite a hard one, but you will learn it soon, I hope. So the poet is saying the name is hard, but it is easy to learn. So try. So he is telling us to try. Try, anti-wanti, try, anti-wanti, gongo, lobe. Yes, so here the poet is saying about some insect. And what is the name of the insect? Trianti Vonti Gongolo. See. Now you will be wondering, oh, the name is so big. Is there any insect by this name? Let us see further. It lives on weeds and wattle gum and has a funny face. Now where does it live? It lives on weeds, plants and wattle gum. The sticky thing which comes out of some trees, gum, and has a funny face. Now it has a funny face. Its appetite is hearty and its manners a disgrace. Appetite means hunger. So he is always hungry. And its manners a disgrace. So the ways he does the things are not good, shameful. अच्छे नहीं हैं. When first you come upon it, it will give you quite a scare. So at first if you see it, you will get scared. But when you look for it again, you find it isn't there. But again if you want to see it, it won't be there. Of course, since it is fly, it is like a small insect. It may run here and there. And unless you call it softly, it will stay away and mope. So again if you don't call him by its name, it will be away and it will be very sad, depressive. अगर आपको वापस देखना है उसको और आपने अगर उसको बुलाया नहीं है अच्छे से सॉफ्टली, तो वो दूर ही रहेगा और उदास रहेगा. सो ट्राई, ट्रायंटी वॉन्टी गोंगो लो. It trembles if you tickle it or thread upon its toes. So if you just tickle it, उसको अगर आपने टच किया तो वो शेक हो जाता है, या फिर उसके पैर पे पैर दिया तो वो हिलता है. It is not an early riser, but it has a snubbish nose. So it does not get up early, but it has a snubbish nose. So the nose is not good. If you sneer at it or scold it, it will scuttle off in shame. So if you make fun or if you just tell some bad words, so it will just move quickly. but it purrs and purrs quite proudly if you call it by its name. Now, if you just call it by its name, so it will make that sound. For example, if you call the cat by its name, how does it come? It comes like meow, meow. Right? So, similarly, it makes such noise if you call it by its name. And offer it some sandwiches of sealing wax and soap. And if you just give him some sandwich, not of butter and chutney and vegetables, its sandwich is different of sealing wax and soap. So try auntie wanty, gongo lop. See, the poet is trying to give the sandwich. But of course you haven't seen it, and I truthfully confess. So now the poet is saying कि आपने तो इसको देखा ही नहीं रहेगा, मुझे ये बोलना पड़ेगा आपको. That I haven't seen it either and I don't know its address. Now the poet is saying, haha, मुझे भी नहीं मालूम है ये ऐसा इंसेक्ट है क्या, और मैं तो पता भी नहीं है वो कहाँ रहता है. See the poet's face. It's a funny poem. For there isn't such an insect, though there really might have been. तो मेरे हिसाब से ऐसा कोई इंसेक्ट है ही नहीं, क्या पता, हो भी सकता है. If the trees and grass were purple, now see, इतना कैसे मजाक उड़ा रहा है वो. Trees purple हो सकता है क्या? No. And the sky was bottle green. It is just a little joke of mine which you will forgive, I hope. This poet is making fun of us by saying such joke. ऐसे मजाक उड़ा रहा है हमारा, ऐसे जोक बोल के कि ऐसा एक इंसेक्ट है. एक्चुअल में there is no such insect. Right? It is just a small joke. So try auntie wanty, gongo low by C.J. Dennis. So who has written this poem? C.J. Dennis. Yes? So see, this poet is very naughty, and therefore he is saying such things that he saw one insect like this. But in reality there is no such insect named Trianti Wanti Gongolop. ऐसे ही मस्ती कर रहा है वो. Okay, is it clear? So if you did not understand, ask your PT member. I'll repeat it again. आपको नहीं समझा तो PTA member को बोलो, मैं वापस ये पोएम समझाएगी. Okay, thank you.